Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy here and I've got a little bit of happy mail to show you. Weeeee! Well, it's only stuff I ordered. Sadly not everything I ordered because I've been waiting for this order from abroad for my shop, which is hobbyrocks.co.uk if you haven't found it already. And I whistled then. Anyway, I've been waiting for this order, but suddenly I got hit by a customs thing, so that's what's held it up. I've paid it, sadly, and now I've just got to wait for UPS to deliver it. But I wish we didn't have it, but never mind. It's one of those things. So firstly, I've got a new magazine, which is the new Crochet Now, and I will be doing an open with me about that soon. I've been sorting out the yarn room. I don't know if you've noticed, but I was just while my other video was saving, updating my cake section. So I've just been doing that. It's looking rather, well, it's not finished, but it's looking better. So this is my first one. Now this is the elusive parcel that I've been talking about on my Rocks chats for a while. I got this from eBay and it's new packaging. And well, I had this saga with DPD, who delivered outside my house, like just down the road, on the day in question, that said they attempted delivery and there was no one in. But they drove past me at an alarming speed, so they didn't try and deliver to me at all. There was no attempted delivery. And then yesterday, or the day before, there was one parked right outside my house where they delivered to my neighbour. So they could have come to me, but why they didn't on that particular day, I don't know. We've got a big sign outside that says the house name. It's quite easily visible, but he shot by me like an alarming rate on the day that he says he attempted delivery. He didn't. And then he took a photograph of his van up the top of our road as if that's proof. It's not, is it? If he took a photograph outside my house where I hadn't answered, that's proof. But being somewhere in the vicinity isn't, because they didn't come here. I was been staying in for days waiting for this stuff to arrive. So it's all lies, I'm afraid. Okay, so I'm going to try and get them all out of this bag because they're all in one bag. All of my order in the one bag. I don't know exactly what they're going to look like until I get them out. When I say look like, I mean, oh, that one's not in the bag. That's good. That one is. Bill or something else in there. No, it's just folded over. Right, we'll pop that on the floor. Okay, so here we are. Does it say how much I paid? There's a pair of glasses in here. Necklight you do. I can see it. Can I get it? Probably saw my huge double chin then. Uh-oh. Okay. £11, 26, £4.79, £5.19 and £7.19. So the prices are there. And this is what I ordered, and they're all the same kind of design. But as my website, as you may know, is magenta, I decided to order magenta spotty bags. Now, they're very thick, so maybe I won't need to take the Jesus out of them like I have been. But this is a pretty decent size. I haven't ordered so many, unless there's some in another pack, but there's a few of those. Maybe I couldn't. I've got lots of different sizes, so perhaps that's why. I'll just pop them there on top of the magazine. Then I've got this one, which is a bit tiny, but sometimes I do have an order that's for a crochet hook pack or a knitting needle pack or one skein of yarn. So that'll be that. Then there's this one, which I've got a feeling is 2.5 times the size of this bag. Let's have a little looky. But I'm really happy with the pattern and the colour, because when it said pink, I thought, oh, might not be good, but it is a really good colour match. And that's not a bad size bag. It's what, I don't know, maybe a bit bigger than A4. So pattern size, book size, that sort of thing. So a little order, you know, a little yarny order will go in there. This one, I thought I'd get them as a sample really, and if I like them I'll order more. Now I probably will order more from this chap, but one thing I don't like is DPD not doing that. So that looks the same sort of size, doesn't it? Don't know what the difference is. Doesn't say on the bag, so maybe they are the same size and this is just comes in a pack, but I ordered a few extra, so I don't know. Let's have a look. Or maybe that's, I ordered 2 packs of some, that's what it is, and 1 pack of others, and this is more of that size, which isn't bad, and that might be 2 packs of that one. I'll put this one back in the bag if I can. It's not all I ordered, by the way, bags, but I'm really pleased with these. They're the perfect colour. If you haven't found my shop already, it's www.hobbybox.co.uk, and there is someone who giggles whenever I say that, because they say you don't need the www anymore. www. And more of that size. So this is the size that I tend to use the most, but unfortunately, because I don't have any of the ones I had in the beginning, because they were kind of expensive buying them from the post office, I used to use larger ones and then have to tape them all up so that they became smaller. Now I've got a multitude of bags to choose from and try out, so that's cool. The other thing that I ordered was some organza bags. Now, if you've ordered from me in the past, you will know that I often put little freebies, little gifts inside the organza bags. And the organza bags that I've had were gold, and they were a kind of a leftover from the days when I used to do costume jewellery years and years ago on eBay. And I stopped. So I've now used them all up, and I have actually been using little zip seal bags and things like that, but I've now got some little organza bags. They're purple. They didn't have a really good colour match, and I will look around for some more, although I've got quite a few. I don't know how many's in each pack. Does it say? 20, I think. 10 by 12, 20. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 packs of those, so they'll last a little while. But I did see some that had, from one company that somebody had recommended to me ages ago, and I had a look at their stuff and they had Union Jacks and I wanted those, but they were rather expensive, I have to say, and I don't think they got back to me. Go back up there. They didn't get back to me on their wholesale kind. Oh, they might have done actually. I'll have to check my spam and my other folders, but I've got a few of these anyway. So and these are bigger, which is a good thing, because the ones I had before were slightly smaller than this, and it was a struggle to get my business card, tea bags and gifts in that I used to put in, and these ones are bigger, so that won't be a problem anymore. I'll be able to get gifts in there, no worries. And that's not all I usually put in packages. As everybody who's ordered from me will know, sometimes I'll put in some yarn that might be something you've never had before. It's not part of your order, so there's balls of yarn in there, they're little freebies. Sometimes it might be I'll pop a magazine in, or I'll pop the freebie pattern that comes with magazine with the yarn in it, you know, like to make an amigurumi or something like that. If I've got stuff laying around and I think there's enough tolerance in the postage, then I just bung in some extra goodies like a crochet hook. All of the Bella Coco crochet hooks that I ever got from magazines, from the Crochet Society boxes, everything, the stitch markers, all the stuff that I used to get has gone out to people. Mostly there's only a few things that I've not sent out because they're heavy basically, but yeah, a lot of stuff has gone in the gifts. So if you ever get an order from me and there's something in there, I don't say here is a gift for you, it's just extra in the bag. So that's what I do. Anyway, that's my stuff. I really love these bags, I have to say. These are the ones that have not got packaging. These are the biggest ones. I should have ordered more of these, but I've saved the seller and I can get more eventually. But wow, aren't they gorgeous? Look at that. Very rarely though do I write on that bit, because it doesn't matter even if they're the Royal Mail ones. You start writing on them and it kind of stretches it and makes a hole. So I just stick a label over, because now anyway I do it all online. I just put the label on, or I get them to bring a label and stick it on, which they do that for free. So might as well save my printer. Hope you like my little organza bags. It's a shame they're not magenta, but magenta and purple, they're all good. I've got lilac in my my logo, so all those kind of colours, pretty cool. I wouldn't mind the Union Jack ones, but yeah, I'm happy. Thanks for watching, and I'm really glad I managed to get that parcel. It wasn't too far away, so I had to go get it. But yeah, see you on the next one. Bye for now.